Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of open-source AI agent projects on GitHub. We'll be exploring some incredible frameworks that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI, from multi-agent systems to multimodal interactions, and highlighting their unique features and how they're shaping the future of AI development. So, let's jump right in. Project number 1, LangChain, build context-aware reasoning applications. Today, we're diving into LangChain, a powerful and versatile open-source framework that is revolutionizing how we build applications using large language models, or LLMs. What makes LangChain truly unique is its focus on creating context-aware reasoning applications. This isn't just about generating text, it's about building sophisticated AI systems that can understand, interact, and reason based on the context of a given task. LangChain simplifies the entire lifecycle of LLM applications. It provides composable building blocks, tools, and integrations that allow developers to work with language models effectively. These components are modular and user-friendly, whether you are using the rest of the LangChain framework or not. The framework's open-source libraries let you use its components and third-party integrations to build your own applications. LangChain also has a strong emphasis on productionization. LangSmith, a developer platform, allows you to debug, test, evaluate, and monitor chains that you build with any LLM framework, and integrates well with LangChain. This lets you constantly optimize and deploy applications with confidence. You can even turn your LangGraph applications into production-ready APIs and assistants through the LangGraph platform. LangChain is built with several key modules, including Model I/O, which manages prompts and provides a consistent interface for chat models, Retrieval, which enables loading data from various sources and using it in the generation step, and Agents, which give LLMs autonomy over how to accomplish a task. A unique feature is LangGraph, which makes it easy to combine components into production-ready applications with persistence, streaming, and other key features. It's built on top of LangChain Core and has built-in support for messages, tools, and other LangChain abstractions. You can use LangGraph to build robust, stateful multi-actor applications by modeling steps as edges and nodes in a graph. Project number 2, AutoGen, a framework for multi-agent AI applications. We're excited to introduce you to AutoGen, a powerful programming framework from Microsoft that's designed for creating multi-agent AI applications. What makes AutoGen stand out is its focus on enabling autonomous agents to work together or alongside humans, making it incredibly versatile for complex tasks. AutoGen is not just about individual AI agents, it's about building entire multi-agent workflows. It provides a layered and extensible design that allows developers to work at different levels of abstraction. You can use high-level APIs for rapid prototyping or dive into lower-level components for more control. The core API supports message passing and event-driven agents, with cross-language support for .NET and Python. The AgentChat API, built on top of the core, offers a simpler API for prototyping. The Extensions API allows you to add first- and third-party extensions to the framework, such as specific LLM client implementations and code execution capabilities. This is all designed to make the creation of complex AI applications more approachable. The ecosystem includes essential developer tools, AutoGen Studio, a no-code GUI for building multi-agent applications, and AutoGen Bench, a benchmarking suite for evaluating agent performance. You can use AutoGen Studio to prototype and run multi-agent workflows without writing code. AutoGen lets you build a variety of applications, including those that require web browsing, code execution, and file handling. A great example is Magentic One, a multi-agent team that uses the AgentChat and Extensions APIs. AutoGen has a thriving community, with weekly office hours, a Discord server, and GitHub discussions. It is a comprehensive ecosystem for building and deploying advanced intelligent applications. So, if you're looking to develop multi-agent systems, AutoGen is definitely worth checking out. Project number 3, CrewAI, orchestrating autonomous AI agents for complex tasks. We're diving into CrewAI, a powerful framework for creating sophisticated AI agent systems. What makes CrewAI stand out is its focus on enabling collaborative intelligence through role-playing, autonomous agents that can work together seamlessly to tackle complex tasks. This isn't just about having individual agents. It's about creating well-oiled crews, where agents with specific roles and goals can interact and delegate tasks, much like a human team. CrewAI is designed to be a standalone framework, built from the ground up without dependencies on LangChain or other agent frameworks. It offers a flexible, production-ready architecture that allows for deep customization and precise control. You have the ability to fine-tune agent behaviors, override inner prompts, and access low-level APIs. CrewAI provides two complementary approaches for building AI applications: crews and flows. Crews are teams of AI agents with autonomy, working together through role-based collaboration, while flows are event-driven workflows that provide precise control over complex automations. The true power of CrewAI emerges when you combine crews and flows, allowing you to build complex, production-grade applications. Key features include autonomous inter-agent delegation, where agents can delegate tasks and inquire amongst themselves. CrewAI also provides flexible task management with granular control. It supports both high-level abstractions and low-level customization, with robust error handling and state management. It allows for model flexibility, working with both OpenAI and open-source models. CrewAI also has event-driven flows for building complex workflows. The framework's architecture ensures predictable results through programmatic guardrails, agent training capabilities, and flow-based execution control. Project number 4: Phidata. Build multimodal agents with memory, knowledge, and tools. We're exploring Phidata, a framework designed to build sophisticated, multimodal AI agents. What sets Phidata apart is its ability to create agents that not only process text, but also seamlessly integrate memory, knowledge, tools, and reasoning capabilities, enabling them to handle complex, real-world tasks. Phidata also stands out for its beautiful agent UI, providing an intuitive way to interact with your agents. Phidata is designed to be simple and elegant, allowing you to create powerful agents with minimal code. For example, you can build a web search agent in just 10 lines of code. Phidata agents are also multimodal by default, supporting text, images, audio, and video. This makes it possible to build agents that can understand and interact with various types of data. Another key feature is Phidata's support for multi-agent orchestration, allowing you to create teams of agents that can work together to solve complex problems. You can define the roles and instructions for each agent and have them collaborate to achieve a common goal. Phidata also has agentic RAG built in, which allows agents to search their knowledge base for relevant information, optimizing response quality and saving tokens. With agentic RAG, agents can decide when to use their knowledge base rather than always including it in the prompt. Phidata also includes features like structured outputs, allowing agents to return data in a specified format using pedantic models. There is also an experimental reasoning feature that allows agents to work through problems step by step. Furthermore, the framework offers built-in monitoring and debugging capabilities, so you can track agent sessions and debug logs. Phidata also includes several demo agents that you can experiment with. So, if you're looking to build advanced AI agents with multimodal capabilities, Phidata is definitely worth checking out. Project number 5: Integuru, the AI agent for reverse engineering APIs. We're diving into Integuru, a fascinating AI agent that specializes in reverse engineering platform APIs to build third-party integrations. What makes Integuru unique is its ability to automatically generate integration code by analyzing network requests from a browser session. This is not just about using existing APIs. It's about discovering and utilizing internal APIs that might not be officially documented or readily available. Integuru works by capturing browser network requests using create_har.py. This tool generates a file with all network requests and cookies, along with a prompt that describes the user action that was triggered in the browser. Integuru then analyzes this data to identify the specific requests needed to perform the desired action. The agent identifies dependencies between requests and builds a dependency graph. For example, if downloading a utility bill requires account and user IDs, Integuru will find the requests that provide these dynamic parts. It then constructs a graph, ensuring that dependent requests are executed in the correct order. This whole process is done using a cloud-based large language model from OpenAI. Integuru generates runnable Python code that can perform the desired action by hitting the platform's internal endpoints. It allows for input variables, such as specifying a year to download a document from, which is currently supported for graph generation with code generation support coming soon. This code can then be used to build custom integrations. The project also includes a continuous integration workflow that uses GitHub Actions. Integuru is designed to be used with OpenAI models such as GPT-4o for graph generation and O1 Preview for code generation. It supports 2FA, as long as the user completes the process and obtains the needed tokens. So, if you need to integrate with a platform that lacks an official API, Integuru is definitely worth exploring. Project number 6: OmAgent, a Python library for building powerful agents with vision, language, and more. Today, we're spotlighting OmAgent, a powerful Python library designed for building multimodal language agents quickly and efficiently. So, what makes OmAgent stand out? Well, it's all about simplifying the complex world of agent development. Instead of getting bogged down in the nitty-gritty of worker orchestration and task queues, OmAgent handles these under the hood, providing a simple, user-friendly interface. This lets you focus on designing your agent's behavior, rather than wrestling with technical overhead. One of the coolest things about OmAgent is its focus on reusability. It allows you to create agent components that can be combined to build complex agents, kind of like building with Legos. OmAgent also has native support for multimodal inputs, including vision language models, VLMs, real-time APIs, and even mobile device connections. This means you can create agents that understand not just text, but also images, videos, and audio. Think about building an agent that can analyze a video and answer your questions. OmAgent makes this all easier and faster. OmAgent provides a flexible, graph-based workflow engine and different memory types to enable contextual reasoning. It also goes beyond basic LLM reasoning, with state-of-the-art algorithms like React and COP built in. The library includes example projects such as a video QA agent and a mobile personal assistant that you can build in minutes. The core library, OmAgent Core, can be installed using pip. It can also be configured to use various LLMs through API or locally deployed models. So, if you are trying to develop sophisticated multimodal agents without the headache, Project number 7: Swarms, the enterprise-grade multi-agent orchestration framework. We're excited to introduce you to Swarms, an enterprise-grade framework designed for orchestrating multi-agent systems. What makes Swarms truly stand out is its focus on creating production-ready, reliable, and scalable multi-agent applications. It's not just about individual agents, but how they can be organized and made to work together efficiently to tackle complex real-world problems. Swarms provides a variety of features designed for enterprise use, including high-reliability systems, comprehensive logging, and a modular design, which makes maintenance and debugging much easier. The framework enables complex task handling through features such as hierarchical swarms, parallel processing, sequential workflows, graph-based workflows, and dynamic agent rearrangement. This allows you to create flexible and optimized workflows, fitting the needs of your specific use cases. Swarms is also highly customizable with multimodal support, custom agent creation, and an extensive tool library, allowing for vendor independence and extended functionality. The framework also offers multiple memory systems. Swarms also provides extensive support for concurrent processing, resource management, load balancing, and horizontal scaling, ensuring efficient resource use and higher throughput. Swarms also offers various developer tools including a simple API, extensive documentation, an active community, and CLI tools, aiming for faster development and quick deployment. It has built-in security features like error handling, rate limiting, monitoring integration, and audit logging. Swarms has several advanced features like spreadsheet swarm, group chat, agent registry, and mixture of agents, which allow for mass agent management and collaborative AI. Swarms also provides support for major providers like OpenAI and Anthropic. So, if you're looking to build and deploy robust, scalable multi-agent systems, Swarms is definitely worth exploring. That's it for today's deep dive into open-source AI agent projects. We've covered a lot of ground, exploring the capabilities of AutoGen, LangChain, CrewAI, Phidata, Swarms, OmAgent, and Integuru. Each of these projects offers unique tools and features for building advanced AI applications. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which project you're most excited about. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.